Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, December 19th and 20th, 2015. Just getting over a round of laryngitis the last couple days. I did not have my voice, so I could not do the video, so I appreciate you bearing with me for those 2 days. I'm trying to struggle through this right now here, but at least I got my voice back for the most part. A little scratchy here, so I apologize for that. Today we're going to have strong northwesterly winds come in with some breezy conditions that could gust as high as 35 miles per hour at times today. So the temperature is going to be very cold today. Most areas not getting out of the 30s. Some lower 30s up here, mid to upper 30s as you get down a little bit further to the south. Maybe coming close to 40 down here by Philly, but everywhere else is going to be pretty cold, stuck in the 30s. The wind chill is actually going to be stuck in the 20s today, lower 20s in fact. Even during peak heating. So it's going to be very chilly, so you're going to have to definitely be a shock. You'll have to bundle up if you're going outdoors. We'll also have the lake effect snow machine going here for really the first time this year. So up here in the Tug Hill and downwind of Lake Erie, we're going to get some winds coming off the lakes here that's going to allow for some snow showers. Now, not a lot shown here, but areas across, especially northeastern Pennsylvania, could get into some snow shower activity. Would not be surprised for areas a little bit further south here from east central PA over to northern New Jersey here to get into at least some flurry activity as some of these streamers make their way down in here. So they will be dying, of course, as they come further away from the lakes, but you could get some few flurries during the day, especially in the afternoon here on Saturday. As we go a little bit further, we're going to get mostly sunny skies here on Sunday, and that's because high pressure is moving up just to our south here, and it's still going to be chilly here, but not quite as cold here as it was on Saturday. Going a little bit further here, that high pressure is now going to establish itself off the east coast here and really get itself going. At the same time, a big ridge is going to build in here in the eastern United States. So this is going to be a very familiar pattern we've been in for a while, where we have these big ridges, southeast ridge just really cranking up here. Direct result of the Madden-Julian oscillation cycle we are in, which is phase 4, phase 5-ish right now, with very warm phases for the eastern half of the United States, and that is not going to disappoint this week. We're going to be progressively warmer, and you can see where the isobars are pointed here, kind of southwest and north to northeast here. That means that you're going to get these winds coming in from a southwesterly direction, and that means warmth progressively increasing every single day from Monday through Christmas Eve. And as we move a little bit further here, you're going to get into a little more unsettled period too. So not a lot of heavy rain we're dealing with this week, not at all. But anytime between, say, Monday night all the way through Thursday, you have a chance for an isolated shower or two, maybe some steady showers centered around Tuesday night and Wednesday here, but really just spotty stuff. You can see very light stuff here. Not much going on here at all. Here's a look at Thursday now, because it's Christmas Eve. Finally, Christmas Eve, we're going to have this is a cold front that's going to be moving through. Back edge is all the way out here. This is Christmas Eve in the evening. Still some showers, light showers ahead of it, but this is going to move through and allow for Christmas Day, we think, to be a nice day. It's actually going to be colder as well. Nothing brutally cold though. It's going to be a lot colder on Christmas than it was on Christmas Eve. Expecting temperatures on Christmas Eve to be well into the 60s in many locations, back down to the 40s we think for highs on Christmas Day. So we'll be cooler, but nothing dramatically cold, and then high pressure is going to settle in as we get into the day after Christmas here on the 26th. So dry period coming for Christmas and the day after, but it looks like the day before is going to be a little bit wet yet. Not really terribly wet, but also very, very warm for Christmas Eve, cooling down a little bit on Christmas Day. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, December 19th and 20th, 2015. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.